you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're just continuing our progress on old VR 420, man. Jesse should be showing up here pretty soon. It's another toasty Friday here in Colorado, but you should be heading up here. He picked up some gauges last weekend. Some more parts came in from our boys over at Extreme PSI. So see the old block. So got the old block chilling there and stuff. So yeah, we got some more parts that showed up today, and yeah, we're gonna head out here and probably sweat a little bit, get a little swampy, but keep working on VR 420. I gotta get this thing up on jack stands. Pretty much underneath I'll knock out real quick. Transfer case, CV axles, hook up the downpipe, and that's pretty much it underneath. Jesse's gonna be playing probably inside the interior today. Kind of got the doors open, trying to air it out a little bit. Gotta get the fuel pump still in the back, which that's a quickie. Get the front mount mounted up. That shouldn't be too bad. So there isn't too much left to do on this thing. Easily within a couple hours I should have this thing almost ready to fire up. Might have to have Jesse run up to the Come and Go right up the street, pick up some E85. We might be able to crank this sucker over today. I don't really think we're waiting on anything else. So yeah, stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Check back with you in a little bit. In the meantime, time lapse time, baby. Alright, we're just knocking some more stuff out here. Pretty much got the whole underneath of the car wrapped up. We got the transfer case on, the axles in, one of the subframe plates. I was doing some work on the oil sandwich adapter. I don't know how well you guys can see that. Let me see. It's right there. Got the plug they were not using. We got the oil pressure sensor in there, and oil temperature sensor, and we got a little 45 for the oil feed line for the turbo. So yeah, so let's plug this stuff in, getting the harness hooked up back there, starters hooked up, and we're making pretty good progress. Jesse's over here playing interior, man, and he's getting those gauges hooked up. He's kind of got it all tore apart now, but it's going back together right now. But you got a still on these gauges.
Yeah, buddy.
Yep, and he's just
Thanks, Tony.
Thanks, Tony the Tiger. And he, jeez.
Shots fired.
And then Mark just showed up. But yeah, he's just plugging around on getting the gauges hooked up, wiring all that stuff while I'm still out here underneath the engine bay. And then we got Mark over there popping the two-step in his slow Evo 10. So yeah. So but yeah, there's an update, you guys. We're just gonna keep plugging away on it and seeing how far we can get before Jesse's got to roll out today. So check back in here in a little bit. All right, another day in the books with the old VR 420. Still got a few more things to do. We only put a couple hours in today. You know, it's coming up on that little tedious stuff, you know, that kind of takes more time than you realize. Running wires, hooking stuff up, tucking stuff, you know, trying to make it look clean. Jesse spent most of his day over here getting the gauges and stereo and stuff in, which is looking focus, which is looking pretty damn clean. Picked up a little universal mount for the gauges, so getting that, he got that all installed. Just gotta hook up some powers and grounds. This thing used to have an SAFC, which as soon as I say those words, you guys should know what's up. But of course, you know, the factory harness has been a little tampered with, so I'm gonna spend some time probably maybe soldering some wires and stuff together. But yeah, so we're gonna spend too much time on it today. Another hot ass day, but axles are in. Yeah, everything's coming together pretty good. You know, we still got to put the fuel pump in, pump out the old fuel. So there's bleed the clutch. So we still got a list of stuff to do, but it's coming along, man. So again, appreciate you guys watching, supporting the channel. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, throw a little comment, hit the subscribe button, share it with a buddy, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.